What if I told you the perfect lunchbox could keep your food fresh for 12 hours? After testing dozens of lunchboxes for leaks, durability, and style, these top 5 dominated 2025. The winner? It's not what you'd expect. All links are in the description. Let's find your ideal lunchbox. Starting at number 1. OmieBox Bento Box for Kids. My kids have been using this lunchbox for almost 4 years now, and I recommend it to all of my mom friends. Although it's on the bulkier side, it's one of the only lunchboxes I've found to be truly leak-proof, thanks to the removable thermos. I've successfully sent cold foods like smoothies and hot foods like ramen to school with my kids. This allows so much more flexibility when it comes to packing lunch, which makes it easier to switch things up and keep the kids interested in eating. I also like the removable divider, since I can take it out and pack something longer, like a granola bar or Amazon snacks, or I can pop the divider in and offer 2 different types of dry snacks like goldfish and dried fruit. The brand does encourage hand washing, but I always pop ours in the dishwasher, and it's still going strong 4 years later. Number 2. Munchkin Lunch Bento Box for Kids. It's hard not to get sticker shock when you look at most lunchboxes, especially when you have multiple kids to pack for. Munchkin's fair price point was one of the biggest draws for me, but it turned out to be a fantastic option all around. The kids like the fun colors. I like the way it's compartmentalized. Similar to our top overall pick, this lunchbox has compartments that are large enough to pack a true lunch, not just a bunch of small snacks. The large compartment fits an entire sandwich, while the others are great for fruit, dry snacks, cheese, and more. Another huge bonus? This lunchbox is one of the few we evaluated that comes with utensils that snap right into the lid. It's also dishwasher safe. On the downside though, I found this lunchbox didn't last as long as some others I've used over the years. Eventually the lid snapped off of the base. I did, however, end up getting another because I like it so much and think it offers such a great overall value. Number 3. LunchBots Medium Trio 2 Snack Container. For very young toddlers who don't need a lot of food, this stainless steel lunchbox fits the bill. Though it has 4 compartments, I found it much too small for my 5- and 6-year-olds' lunches. It's better suited for 1- and 2-year-olds. Alternatively, it would also be a good option to tote a mid-morning playground snack. The compartments aren't fully leak-proof, so you can't put something like yogurt inside, but I had no trouble packing cut-up strawberries in one section and crackers or chips in the next. I also like how sturdy yet lightweight the stainless steel is, perfect for tiny backpacks. The container is also conveniently dishwasher safe. Number 4. PackIt Freezable Lunchbox. I don't normally reach for a freezable lunchbox. Sometimes my kids say they make the non-cold items inside of their lunch too firm. But it's admittedly a great option for summer camp. This year, when my 6-year-old was in an outdoor program, this lunchbox saved his lunch from becoming hot and steamy, not in a good way, on many 90-degree days. The insulated container would also be a great option for daycare to keep milk and snacks like fruit cold until the end of the day. I found food items remain chilled for at least 4 hours. It's easy to use, since it has a built-in ice pack. You simply pop the entire lunch container in the freezer overnight, then place food inside the next morning, and then send your kiddo off to school or camp. Just keep in mind the interior is one big, open space, so you'll have to use your own reusable food containers or sandwich bag to keep food items separate and secure. The bag also needs to be hand-washed. Number 5. Mushie Kids Bento Lunchbox. Though this lunchbox is on the smaller side, I appreciate the overall functionality. The larger compartment is big enough for half of a sandwich, which should be sufficient for most toddlers, especially when paired with 2 other food items in the 2 smaller compartments. I love the convenience factor of this lunchbox too. It not only comes with a spoon and a fork built into the lid, but the entire thing is also microwave and dishwasher safe. And because it's on the smaller side, you can wash more than one without instantly filling up your dishwasher. It's also less than 1 pound, so it won't weigh down your little one's backpack or your diaper bag the way some of the heftier options do. So, which lunchbox are you grabbing? Drop a comment below. I reply to everyone. If this helped you, smash that like button, share with a friend, and subscribe. We've got a big cooler showdown coming next. See you in the next video, and pack happy!